Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making a very easy, simple tomato chicken recipe. So this is not your regular chicken recipe. It's totally different and the ingredients list for this dish is given below. So let's jump right in. So to begin with, in a pan I've heated some oil. I'm adding some star anise and cinnamon to this. Once it gives out its flavor, add in the finely sliced onion and the finely chopped ginger. Saute this for a few seconds and then add in the washed and cleaned chicken pieces. Now we're going to saute the chicken for 5 to 6 minutes with the onions. After 5 to 6 minutes, the chicken has given out its water. Now it's time to add a paste of red chilli powder and turmeric powder, to which I've just added some water and mixed it up. Now mix the chicken well so that the spices coat it well. Now it's time to add the tomato puree to this and mix well again. Let's add some salt to taste and the sugar to this mixture. Sugar is to just neutralize the tomato flavor so that it's not too tangy. Now mix well. Now as you can see, there's enough water in this chicken curry. So I'm just going to add about half a cup of hot water. If there's less water content in this, you can add up to 1 cup of hot water. So you'll have to just basically check the consistency and add water accordingly. I'm adding half a cup right now. I'm going to just mix everything together. I'm going to cover and let this simmer until the chicken is tender. So you can see the chicken has nicely cooked and the gravy has thickened. If you want, you can add more hot water to this so that there's much more gravy in this. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye-bye.